This is chapter 6, the last chapter of Tablet 1 of the Lost Book of Inki. The first tablet of Lord Inki. By the asteroid belt, the boats were crushed. None of them returned. Let with weapons of terror the bowels of Nibiru be cut open. Let volcanoes again erupt. He then commanded. With weapons of terror, sky-borne chariots were armed with terror missiles from the skies where volcanoes struck. The mountains swayed, the valleys shuddered, as great brilliance with thunder exploded. In the land there was much rejoicing, of abundance there were expectations. In the palace, Anu was for Alalu the cupbearer. He would bow at Alalu's feet, set the drinking cup at Alalu's hand. Alalu was the king. Anu, as a servant, by him was treated. In the land rejoicing receded, rains were withheld, wind blew harder, the belching by volcanoes did not increase, the breach in the atmosphere did not heal. In the heavens, Nibiru, its circuit, kept coursing. From circuit to circuit, heat and cold grew harder to suffer. The people of Nibiru ceased to revere their king. Instead of relief, misery he caused. The strong and wise Anu, foremost among the princes, was standing before him. In the 9th Shah, Anu gave battle to Alalu. To hand combat, with bodies naked, Alalu he challenged. Let the winner be the king. They grappled with each other. In the public square, doorposts trembled and walls shook. Alalu bent his knee to the ground. He fell on his chest. Alalu in combat was defeated. By acclaim, Anu was hailed. As King Anu to the palace was escorted, Alalu to the palace did not return. From the crowds he stealthily escaped. Of doing like Lahama, he was fearful. Unbeknownst to others, to the place of the celestial chariots, he hurriedly went. Into a missile-throwing chariot Alalu climbed. Its hatch behind him he closed. The 4-pot chamber he entered. The commander's seat he occupied. That which shows the way he lit up, with bluish aura the chambers filling. The firestones he stirred up, their hum like music was enthralling. The chariot's great cracker he enleavened. A reddish brilliance it was casting. Unbeknownst to others, in the celestial boat, Alalu from Nibiru escaped. To snow-hued earth set his course. By a secret from the beginning, he chose his destination, Earth.